Looking to upgrade your home without breaking the bank? These smart and space-saving Amazon gadgets are designed to simplify everyday tasks, maximize your space, and add a touch of modern convenience to your routine. From clever storage solutions to multitasking furniture and time-saving tools, here are the must-have innovations making home life easier, one product at a time. Bissell's 2-in-1 lift-off design, where the detachable pod snaps free to chase crumbs on stairs, upholstery, and even car interiors. A tangle-free brush roll teams up with a fully sealed HEPA system to trap 99.97% of dust and pet dander, while every purchase throws support behind the Bissell Pet Foundation. Lightweight construction and effortless swivel steering prove deep clean muscle can feel almost weightless. Watch the mess disappear. Propelled by a 100-watt full copper motor, this stick blender blitzes stubborn veggies and even small ice cubes into velvety perfection, while its food-grade nylon guard shields pots from scratches and kitchens from splatter. A pulse-activated, variable-speed trigger hands instant control to the chef, leaping from gentle emulsions to turbo purees without a mess. Ergonomic non-slip grip, one-click BPA-free attachments, and UL-certified safety tech make everyday blending and cleanup as effortless as the results are smooth. Watch the Veckin 304 stainless canister lock freshness in with a one-way CO2 valve and silicone seal, while its clear side window flaunts just how many beans are left, no lid lifting required. A quick spin of the lid's date tracker, plus the hooked-on stainless scoop turns morning brewing into a precision ritual, complete with interior scale lines for exact pours. Rugged food-grade steel, elegant matte finish, and an affordable price tag make this countertop keeper a sleek, gift-ready upgrade for every coffee lover's kitchen. This 360-degree spinning tower glides on metal ball bearings, letting viewers see every pair up to 32 shoes appear with a single effortless turn, clearing clutter in closets, entryways, or bedrooms. Sturdy MDF shelves double as a display for books, plants, or decor, proving this organizer is as versatile as it is space-saving. Finished in a luxe wood grain look, it marries boutique elegance with long-term durability, turning shoe hunts into a one-spin satisfaction. Watch each basket slip beneath an existing shelf to create instant, invisible storage in kitchens, pantries, closets, or bathrooms. No drills, just hang and organize. Forged from heavy-duty steel, every unit shoulders up to 40 pounds, and its 13.4 by 9.8 by 6.1-inch cavity, plus 9-inch slide arms fit neatly under any shelf under 1.1 inches thick, swallowing everything from snack bags to folded hand towels. Delivered as a 2-pack, this simple upgrade transforms wasted airspace into tidy grab-and-go efficiency that feels custom-built. Sliding flush beneath a shelf, this 4-row rack converts wasted airspace into a sleek stem bar that keeps counters clear and glassware display-ready. Powder-coated stainless steel rails cradle 8-12 stems, everything from flutes to burgundy bowls, with rust-proof durability that wipes clean in seconds. A couple of included screws are all it takes to mount, reclaiming kitchen elegance while every toast is within arm's reach. These vertical organizers reclaim dead closet airspace with 6 clearly partitioned shelves, letting clothes, bags, and shoes sit in full view so the morning grab-and-go takes seconds. 2 detachable units can hang separately or combine into one tower, pairing open cubbies with discrete slide-out drawers to separate seasonal layers from private items. Thick PP boards and 120 GSM fabric shoulder up to 35 pounds without sagging, then fold flat for effortless moves between bedrooms, dorms, RVs, or laundry rooms. The L-shaped velvet couch glides open into a full sleeper in seconds, sneaking a guest-ready bed into any living room without stealing floor space. 3 adjustable backrest angles pair with high-resilience sponge cushions for custom lounging, while USB ports and a side pocket keep phones, remotes, and earbuds right where users want them. A solid wood frame and dense padding stay plush yet supportive for years, blending chic modern looks with hotel-grade durability. Built from wear-resistant canvas with a wipe-clean waterproof lining, this organizer hangs rock-steady on any headboard or chair arm, thanks to 2 detachable metal hooks and a full-frame support. Elastic mesh side pockets team with roomy main compartments and cleverly stacked front slots to corral phones, tablets, glasses, and midnight snacks in easy reach. Perfect for dorm bunks, RV trips, or small apartments, it turns unused bedside space into clutter-free convenience you can install and clean in seconds. This stackable set, 4 roomy bins, and 2 handy minis, slides into closets, pantries, or under the bed, sealing contents away from dust with click-on lids and rounded bump-proof corners. Dual side handles make every tote out effortless, while the clean white finish blends into any room from kitchen to office. Sized to sort everything from sweaters and magazines to snack packs and spices, it's the all-purpose organizer that turns overlooked nooks into clutter-free real estate. Watch clutter disappear as the full extension ball-bearing drawer glides out effortlessly, serving up every cleaner and sponge with buttery smooth precision. Thick, rust-proof steel and a reinforced mesh frame shoulder 50-pound loads without wobbling, while 7 tool-free height settings skirt plumbing and make room for towering spray bottles. Mesh side walls corral even the smallest scrubbers, transforming cramped cabinets into silent, heavy-duty storage space built to last. 4 sleek black trays pop open into sturdy 15 by 19-inch desktops, ideal for couch-side meals, laptop work, or kids' craft time, then collapse flat in seconds. Standing 26 inches tall, each wood table feels rock solid yet slips effortlessly back into the matching storage rack, freeing up floor space the instant the show is over. Viewers see portable versatility, wide rectangular stability, and room-saving elegance bundled in one smart set. This beige 15-cell tray brings order to chaotic drawers, using waterproof, odor-free plastic and detachable dividers that resize on command, from a single big pocket for bras to a 15-slot grid for socks. Card slot edges let each box stack neatly, so viewers watch clutter compress into a tidy, space-saving tower. Perfect for storing everything from scarves to cables, it turns a messy dresser into a minimalist display in seconds. The 64-liter hamper folds flat to slip between appliances, then springs open on a rigid iron frame that holds its shape, even when stuffed with a family-size load. Reinforced straps and leather handles make one-hand carries feel effortless, while the water-resistant lining shields clothes from damp floors on the trip to the washer. Viewers see small space living upgraded to grab-and-go efficiency that disappears from sight the moment laundry's done. This heavy-duty rack slips neatly above standard 27.5 inches machines, stacking 4 wire shelves, a hanging rod, a basket, and a 360 degrees hook to turn dead airspace into a 600-pound storage command center. Adjustable tiers and DIY assembly let homeowners tailor shelf height and rod placement to everything from detergent jugs to damp shirts, while anti-tip anchors and leveling feet lock the coated steel frame solid on any floor. The result? A humidity-proof organizer that declutters laundry chaos and keeps every supply right at arm's reach.